to know everything.
You know, I'm sure many people out there, some people might be talking back to their television saying, I'm going to work today, actually. But Carol can bring us the weather. Good morning, Carol.
Morning. Good morning, everyone, whatever you're doing today. This morning is actually a cold start to the day. There is a widespread frost, except for across parts of the southwest and the extreme south of England, where we've got more cloud. But we also have quite a foggy start in some places. Now, it's dense, patchy fog we're looking at across parts of Yorkshire, Lincolnshire, possibly into the Midlands as well, East Anglia and southern counties of England. But equally, you could run into some in southern Scotland or Wales. So if you're just setting out, bear that in mind. And as you can see from the blue hues on the charts, it is a cold start, temperatures below freezing still for a lot of places. Now, out towards the west, we do have a weather front. This is a warm front coming our way, as the name suggests. Behind it, we'll see milder conditions, but equally damp conditions as well. So to start with, away from the fog areas, we're looking at a bright start, some hazy sunshine, but through the morning, the cloud already in the west will introduce drizzle, and then right behind it, we'll see more persistent rain. That will initially cross Northern Ireland, southern and western Scotland, northwest England and into Wales, and the breeze will also pick up. Now, the brightest skies today are going to be across northeast Scotland and the Northern Isles. Here, though, only about 5 or 6 degrees will be your maximum temperature. But behind this weather front, you can see 11s and 12s, so much milder. Through this evening and overnight, the rain continues to advance northeastwards across Scotland and out of Northern Ireland and across England and Wales, pushing southeastwards, leaving clear skies behind. Now, we'll also have some showers across northern and western Scotland and Northern Ireland. In the hills in Scotland, they are likely to be wintry. But we could also see some isolated pockets of frost in western Scotland and Northern Ireland. And with temperatures low enough on the damp surfaces, there is the risk of some ice on untreated surfaces. So tomorrow we start off with all these showers, again still wintry in the hills. It looks like our weather front's pulling away, but it's not. What it's doing is it's waving. So that means it literally is doing that and bringing rain back across the Channel Islands, where it'll be raining for much of the day, and into the southeast. This is where we think it's going to rest, but because it's waving, it could wave a little bit farther north, so the East Midlands tomorrow could also see some rain. In between, though, a lot of dry weather and a fair bit of sunshine to boot. Now, through Wednesday evening and overnight, we lose this front, only to be replaced by this occlusion coming our way. And you can see the isobars behind. So on Thursday, it is going to be a windier day. Here's our occlusion, producing rain at lower levels, hill snow in Scotland and northern England, continuing to push towards the North Sea. Behind it, once again, a lot of dry weather, fair bit of sunshine, but showers in the west. And with height, once again, some of those will be wintry. Our temperature range, 6 to about 10 or 11. Then as we head from Thursday into Friday, it's this next area of low pressure that we're watching, coming in bringing rain. The isobars alone telling you it is going to be windy, and there's a potential for gales with exposure in the west, possibly too through the English Channel. There'll be rain, as I mentioned, but it will feel mild. At least that's one consolation. Dan and Lou.